You say, you the find God on now, you go see him. You the find God on now, you go see him. You the find God on now, you go see him. You the find God on now, you go see him. Everybody say, you the find God on now, you go see him. I know your voice. You the find God on now, you go see him. Make you lift him up. You the find God on now, you go see him. You the find Baba God. Everybody, let's go. You say, let him blessing. As I make you collect. Let him flavor. Oh, yeah, make you collect. Let him increase. As I make you come. Open and dance. Oh, yeah, make you collect. As I let it come down. Did it come down? Your flavor back and collect. Let it come down. Did it come down? Your blessing back and collect. Oh, yeah, make you throw away. Bad life won't go. As I make you throw away. Disappointment. As I make you throw away. I said we'll get 10 minutes, so I need to sing with 6 minutes, 4 minutes, they greet you, then you go house. And also this coffee, the way that they put, the person will put herself don't tire. Who want die may die. This coffee will not tire. I don't put coffee for full state 8:30. My short man go come out, they run, they go house 8:30. This corona where they talk about, how many people die? We die for the full okoko. The full okoko. Now half person die. That guy get cancer. No be say. But God day Chulosago day, please. Can you celebrate Chulosago, right? Hold on. So we just come to God greeting now because this will not be performance, no verse. I don't understand this guy 10 minutes. Why I go use 55 minutes from Lagos to come here? Come here now, go do 10 minutes like that they do audition. You don't see where they put this stage? Now I be like the judges. The judges, my name is Akpororo. I swear that. Oh boy. Oh yeah. If you not say your house far, they go. Now be later you go say that because of Akpororo, I love him. Oh, that's why police arrest me. Hey, I not like police. So if you they go quarter another, whereas you not go say I not come the show, I come. I mean not maybe this. Now difference between poor people and rich people. See the back now, don't empty. See the front, they sit down. Why? Because these people, if they meet police, they go say to each other, poor man and poor man. Poor man, they get budget. They don't want to hear anything. If they don't program 6-5 where they want to spend for a day, they don't want anything where go make her go 6-7. Come on, you love Akpororo, make some noise in there, right? I like this thing where you do so. I like that. This girl was a very funny boy. You know say not to get height. Normally he has speak at the dry height. Now make a rush, bring his stage confront, maybe they see him. Not the one way go they perform though, they have say who they perform. Kill Baba better hold man. Thank God for your life. Level change now. That guy don't do different work. Now my friend, we don't know for long. He don't do different work. Kill Baba join up robber one time now. The first way follow the go thief. He thief 2.5 as they come. They thief the 2.5. Come collect your phone. Since that the night who stop the work, says, not favor me. Oh boy. Come up, Leo. Nigeria. This place is a blessed place. Oh. Last year, they said by this time, half of Nigeria go die. Corona go just. See, we not they die like that. Oh. Poverty never kill us. Corona. The only thing we go kill us now, wait till go pass poverty. If you not pass poverty, we know they die. We refuse to die. Now remember the Bible say, see, suicide not be option. No. You kill yourself, you are going to hell on your own. They're not going to judge you. God not going to judge you. Nigeria hard. Everything go up. One guy from my area last week, he said, won't kill himself. May go buy rope. Where go take hang himself. They say rope now 15.5. For rope. The guy said, no, na rope I won't buy. Rope. They say, yes, 15.5. The guy will turn back, walk out, they go. The woman look and say, my brother, you not buy again. Now the guy, they tell the woman, say, I get 15.5. Now I won't die. I go use 15,500 key myself for what? A whole 15,500. Another guy won't buy rat poison. Rat poison. They say rat poison are 8.5. 8,500. The guy said, na rat I want key, not be lion. They say, yes, na 8.5. The guy say, serious? The guy turn back, they go. They say, my brother, you not buy. The guy look the woman, say, no first. What did the rat do me? Why go use 8.5 take kill him? Not what a man I go to stay. Where hungry beat him. Only one go my neighbor house. Man. Yeah, thank you. As the guy ever. As the guy, that guy. Now the only person why I know where they 3 cut. And I be leader for the trio. You don't ever see hair. You don't see hair once on that head. That guy's here. That guy now one village juju. Now mobile shrine. Now this is so. People they follow, they worship him. For road that they pour drink or leg. Don't mind me. I like to talk. So it remained 2 minutes. Now me they give myself time. It remained 2 minutes. Oga, hello sir. Where they go? 2 minutes now remain. So you won't tell me now. Say you not feel hold peace for 2 minutes. Now you won't tell me now. You can't hold your bladder for 2 minutes. Oga, relax. 2 minutes. I don't come out. You are my judges. You must wash me. Sit down and wash the last contestant. But seriously, see, I beg, I won't beg you. If you be armed robber here, now the last joke I go crack, I come out. If you be armed robber here, listen to me. This joke go favor you. Not be every compound where the fence round. Not be now that they enter to go rob. I beg. Again, one compound with the fence. The man will get her. You know, they get big men. Once money don't their hand, he get ready to get money. Now yet go they hungry them. I don't see one rich man will get money. Just wake up, drive motor go get it. They say kuli kuli. Tell the woman say one buy kuli kuli. The woman say how much? The man say 4 million. Now yesterday the woman wake up because she faint when she hear the money. How much? How much be the kuli kuli business? So this rich man just wake up that day. He just say want to do something wide. The man get 4 dogs. He just go buy 2 lions. Lion, as he buy lion, come the compound. They take the lion, they enter the compound. They first share one dog shop. They got to make 2 dog, 2 lion. I'm robber, they pass. Say, now this compound we must rob. This compound now we must rob. They gather themselves together. Auntie Oga, touch this man where we are native. Touch this man where carry begin. I know say you feel say you the whisper. You forget say your voice. Now we connect this mic to. I told you. You do blood money before. Idiot. What do you concern me in a chairman? I told you. So now I think they turn your begin home without. I told you. Ogamon know if I do ritual. What's up? I told you. And the begin come. As the I told you, begin to smile. Okay, you don't come now. Your voice they enter my joke. And I don't get that kind of voice for the joke. Now I pay which money? Now I pay your money, not my money. See that? See shirt where we wear. That shirt where you wear for a shirt, he go here. We don't taste more for the work. You guess what time where you don't throw some things, people will call laugh like that. For 2 minutes where remain. Wait, I got to stress myself. Okay, you feel go peace. Good night.